morning, hello, and welcome to my first vlog, like this. And it's the first day of Vlogmas, and I'm going to try to do Vlogmas. I don't know if it's going to be every day because obviously I go to the university and so it might be boring. But I'm going to try to do Vlogmas, yeah. I'm going to try to vlog my life. So yeah, I've just uploaded a video of me decorating the house. Hopefully that should be up now. All my day. What I do, I can't vlog at work obviously. I'll vlog my like cycle to work and how it's going to be a blitz cycle, and my cycle how it's going to be in the dark, and what I'm doing now. I nearly forgot. It's the first, which means advent calendar today. So I'm just going to show you the advent calendars that I've got because I have 3, and I'm going to show you the advent calendars that Oscar's got because he's got 2. So this is Oscar's first. Oscar's this advent calendar. It's Galaxy. It's just plain. My mama got it for him, and then I got him this big boy, which is a Hershey's cookies and cream like advent calendar. And this whole thing right here, see how big this is? You can't see it, but I'm tracing it with my finger. That's 24, so that's a big boy. 24. And then he got, and then this is what I've got. So this is from my mama, my cheeses, from my granddad, my nan. The classic, this is what I used to get when I was younger. This is what I'd get. I wouldn't get like no big fancy one like that one or this one here. I used to get this when I was younger, and I used to love them. So one of those. And oh shoot. Yes, this is Roscoe. Find one. It's right there. I thought it was gonna have something there. It's not. It's just a little chocolate in it. And it's I think it's a bell, but it looks, yeah, it's a bell, but this bit at the top looks a bit much. This one, a reindeer thing, upside down, you don't want upside down. Oh, these are big boy chocolates. I don't know what that's supposed to be. I think something's gone wrong in manufacturing that one, because that one looks like nothing. And then this one, oh, that is cute. That is really cute. All right. I don't know how I'm supposed to get that out. Are these going to be in the same places? No, just that one. Okay. It's literally cutting me. Ah, it fell. So this one has individually wrapped chocolates like this. Ow, cute. But now I'm going to go upstairs and do some work. Okay. Okay, so I just did some of my project dissertation prep stuff. I just filled out a bunch of forms. Not properly filled them out. I filled them out to the best of my ability, and then I'm going to ask my supervisor. And so I wrote a bunch of questions down in my disc book. So now I'm going to plan my week, because I do that now, because of a couple breakdowns I had last weekend. So I've now made a plan like this, where I write down everything I'm going to do hour by hour throughout the week, and it helps me a lot. This is for last week, like hour by hour every day, and then these 2 days I leave kind of free because I have work. I've finished writing this out, but what I do, well, I've got changed as well. I had a wash and got dressed. I forgot I was vlogging, but I've eaten a cheese and rocket sandwich. Oh my god, plate. So I have like an hour and a half until I have to leave, and then I have work, and then I forgot that we have a carol service tonight. My housemates are performing in a carol service, so I'm going to do a little bit of that in this vlog as well, because that's kind of cute. So yeah, so I'm going to come back from work, because I finished work at 5, come back from work, quickly get changed into a jumper, then immediately leave, to go to this carol service, which starts at 6. And I forgot to say that I'm actually doing the Whamageddon, which is if you hear Wham last Christmas through this month, so from the 1st to the 24th, on the 25th you can listen to it, then you lose. And me and me, Abby and Oscar are all doing it. It has to be the original, and you have to, if you realise, if you go, oh shit, if you go like, oh that's Wham, then you've lost, basically. So that's what I'm doing as well. So I'll keep you updated with how that's going in this vlog as well. My Black Friday delivery came. I'm going to do Black Friday haul, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, that was literally the first time I've ever bought anything from Boohoo and not had to return it, or at least one thing. They all fit sick. You can see that video soon. Once the rest of the parcels come, which are going to come throughout December, because Black Friday is a manic time and sometimes things don't come until the 11th. So that will be up whenever I can get it up. I should get ready to go to work now. Okay, cool. Okay, I just got to work. I didn't really do much. Look how sweaty I am. This is what I always like when I get to work, because I cycle on my bike. I tried to take a little video, but I don't know if it was any good, because I was obviously cycling. So yeah, see you in 3 hours. I got in, I got changed, drinking a bev. I'm gonna eat a sandwich and we're gonna leave. On our way now to the engine shed, which is what says caravan. So I've got a hat on. Right. So yeah, I'm not going to talk when I'm in there, but I'll just film some of the singing and add it in. So yeah, see you soon, bye. It's now 11 o'clock and it's freezing in my house, but I'm going to sleep now. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.